dear enthusiastic learners who are sitting in front of me and who are watching on your mobile screen, I hope you are all full fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I think you have vast knowledge in English grammar, but you can't write in English or you can't say anything in English. I think you are totally remain in the darkness about English. You know that there are 4 parts in English: reading, writing, listening and speaking. The first stage is reading. If you can read any English articles or any English version or any text in English, I think you may know something. But if you fail to write anything in English, you are lag behind from the other learners. But whenever you can understand the English speech, you can or you may learn something. I think whenever you watch English movie or English news, you just turn off the TV because you can't understand what is presented in the news. So I would like to request you to learn or become conscious about learning English. And the 4th part is speaking. The 4th part is speaking, and in the last stage, whenever you learn before 3 stages, you will certainly gain the 4th stage. So what we'll have to do if you want to speak in English? First of all, you have to practice a lot. You have to remove your shyness. You have to practice with your friends or take part in any conversation in English with your friends or classes. If you regularly practice in front of your mobile camera, I think you will gradually improve your speaking skill.
Speaking English, you may feel shyness, or it may seem with you that you don't know any words or you can't remember any words in your brain. But if you try it gradually or every day in front of your camera or if in front of your mirror, I think you will gradually improve speaking skill. So I would like to request you, please start from there and please don't waste your time. And if you start from your early or boyhood, you will certainly experience in writing or speaking skill. If you